So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enable subtitles on Instagram Reels. So let's say you're watching some Reels, like this one for instance, and you can't quite hear what they're saying and you want to turn on subtitles. Now, there are subtitles on Instagram Reels and they're called captions. So if you tap on the three dots on the Reel, you should see the option closed captions. You can tap on that and then choose always show closed captions or only show translated closed captions. So if you want to just see all the subtitles, you can tap on that. And also, if you're trying to, if you may be watching an Instagram reel that's in a different language and you want it translated to you, then you can select that. Then it will only show subtitles when you're watching an Instagram reel in a different language. But for this option, it's going to always show subtitles. So let's have a look and you can see the subtitles here.
You did that? Is it almost, was it territorial or you just partying? I think I was partying. I let loose too much.
So those are the subtitles, as you can see.
Nice these kids can swim.
Okay.
God, dude. I can't believe you came.
So let me turn those off.
I know. I gotta get.
You can select that, or if you want them only when it's a video in a different language, you can select that. So Instagram will only translate and show you subtitles for Instagram videos that are in a different language from your Instagram app language. For me, it's English, so any other language is going to show captions that are translated. Okay, so that is basically how to enable subtitles on Instagram Reels. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.